All new now at 6, it's everywhere you turn, on the news, on social media. The coronavirus is the talk of the nation, and officials are just trying to find a way to prevent the virus from spreading any further. 7 News reporter Abby Nelson spoke with one expert who says the first step is creating a plan.
When a disaster strikes your area, are you and your family fully prepared? Whether it be a natural disaster or a virus, with the continuing outbreak, it may be time to create a disaster plan of your own. I spoke with Patrick Hardy, an expert of disaster preparedness, who says having a plan creates a sense of calmness and less confusion when you know the steps you need to take.
Have to have specific steps, as that people have to know where they're going to go, how they're going to handle it, how do you sequester yourself. All those things are outlined in a really good disaster plan.
Hardy also says there are 3 major necessities for a coronavirus disaster plan. The first one being prevention.
So ensuring that people have steps to prevent the infection, especially if it is already rampant in their communities, in their counties, in their states.
The second step for a well-thought-out disaster plan is how to quarantine yourself and your family.
If you've decided or you've learned that the outbreak is so severe that people are actually, that there's a large casualty rate in your community, you want to try to sequester yourself from everyone else.
For example, if a delivery comes to your house, stay at least 6 feet or more from the delivery man. Or if you've ordered food, have a safe place by your house where they can leave it and you can grab once they are gone. And the last step to a disaster plan would be used in the most severe cases.
You might actually decide to evacuate out of the community itself. So you may decide that you're actually going to physically leave the area until it's been contained by public health authorities.
Hardy says one should be truly fully prepared if needed to do so. Have a plan as to where you are going and how to get there instead of just picking up and going. Reporting in Ohio County, I'm Abby Nelson, working for you.
Although it is advised to have a written plan, there is also an app that can be just as helpful called Disaster Hawk Preparedness. It will be able to give updates to adjust your plan if need be.